excited that I'm home? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hmm. You're not as emphatic as you were last night. Yup. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you were very emphatic when I got home last night. It's funny when you shake your head and meow at the same time. Hmm. No. What do you think, sweetie? No. Oh, come on. Can't you two get along? Oh. Well, maybe tomorrow night. Cat will just be really, really vocal when I get home. Hmm? What do you think, sweetie? Oh, you must know the camera's on, right? Huh? You know. Anyway. Well, I gotta take my medicine.